Mga tao natin sa Gentricare, we will send them off abroad, pare, to undergo all the trainings that they need. Siyempre, maalagaan yung mga Rolex natin, di ba? Flight to Singapore.
Sa Singapore gago. Seryoso ba? Hindi ako naligo. Yung brief mo sa ko pa ito kahapon.
Welcome to Singapore! Matutuwa yung mga kliyente natin dito, grabe. They can actually change the look of their watches. What's up, guys? Another watch, another day. Time check, pare, oh. It's 5:30 in the morning. It's a very big day for Gentricare, guys. Kasi as we open our Gentricare, syempre, yung mga tao natin sa Gentricare, we will send them off abroad, pare, para to undergo all the trainings that they need. Syempre, maalagaan yung mga Rolex natin, di ba? Today, they are scheduled to go to Malaysia for almost 1 month for the whole training. Syempre, sagot natin yung training. Meron rin sila mga allowances, of course. Syempre, may sahod pa rin sila kahit naka-training sila. Hindi lang yon, of course. Me naman, ang gagawin ko is also prepare for Gentricare products naman ni Gentricare, which is yung mga straps para sa mga Rolexes natin. Kaya pupunta rin tayo ng Singapore. So, dalawa ang trips na mangyayari today, ha. Dadalhin natin dito sa Pilipinas yung isa sa pinakamagandang strap makers sa buong mundo. We are trying to be with the authorized dealer and distributor nila dito sa Pilipinas. Kaya abangan nyo yan. And, dahil pasabog, ha, ang kasama ko talaga, ako, si paring videographer at saka si boss manager, si Omar, pare. Pero si Omar, hindi niya alam na pupunta tayo ng Singapore. So may prank tayo sa kanya. Gagantihan ko kasi last time, pumunta kami ng CDO. Fasting pa ako noon, pare. Pagdating namin ng 6 a.m., sabi nila, doon na kami mag-i-stay sa hotel. Ang ginawa, nag-i-intro ako eh. So, eto na nga. Si Boss Manager. Pam!
Hi guys, good morning.
Sama natin.
Yung mga tropa natin sa Malaysia. Ay, sa Malaysia, sa airport.
sa airport. Tara.
Yung mga routine mo sa morning.
Yung nga pala, mag-apple cider lang ako ng konti.
Outfit ko. Galit dito si paring ngayon, pero.
Ginoro mo. Ano nga, crooks ka lang?
Sabi nga natin sa araw, pajama lang daw ako eh.
Na ako marinig ka. Paparang natin sa Malaysian Dalanggan. Oo, magsi-6 pa lang. Kung makakabalik tayo by 9 a.m. o, Dota tayo kahit 1 gig.
Tayo guys. Ay, saglit lang.
Totoo ba?
Naiwan yung passport.
Naiwan mo yung passport mo?
Wala pa yung pinaka-importante bro ah.
May time pa. 3 hours early naman
May
eh.
namin yung passport ko, brad.
Oo, sir pa.
Kaya ganyan gago mo lang sa Dota yan.
Gentry ah. Legit. Guys, Tito Boy. Tito Arvin. Kasi Johar, pare, apat yung mga yan, mga head technicians natin yung mga yan. Oh, good luck sa inyo guys ha. They will be back after 1 month pa. Kasi ito mo wala siyang dala. Yung backpack na dala niya kay Tito Erwin yun. Nakatokos pa. Magbi-business meeting sa Singapore. Hello. Flight to Singapore.
Tangina mo lang sa Singapore gago.
Ganda yung Singapore. Naiyak siya. Hindi niya alam nalilipad kasi siya eh.
Ay, seryoso ba? Ang ina mo, hindi ako naligo. Yung brief mo sa ko pa ito kahapon.
Oh, ganti ng naapi. Pinaprank niya ako dati, di ba? Nila ko
Ganda pa ng
business
BS
meeting, si Dilags kasi, yung premium watch, nag-set na sila ng meeting, sabi niya, we want you to be our distributor sa Philippines. So, syempre sabi ko, pupunta lang ako, mag-isa lang, dapat may isama ako. Inaalala ko, pinrank mo ako dati, sabi ko, try ko nga. 2 days kami doon, oh, tiga mo.
2 days! Sabi na, kupal mo naman doon. Ano gagawin ko doon? 2 days wala akong damit.
Tawa pa siya ng tawa sa'yo, nakalimutan mo yung passport mo.
Pareho tayong kakamot ng ulo.
Hi guys! Oh, i-upload, tinanong kung anong gagawin niya sa Singapore, di niya alam sasabihin.
Gusto ko magpalit ng brief. Naku-conscious ako sa andal.
Hindi tayo damit. Shopping tayo mamaya.
Okay,
Welcome to Singapore guys! Nandito na tayo. Kaka-disembark lang natin.
Umaging kaya yung mga kape nila dito sa Singapore.
Pare, yan ang tetestingin natin. Okay guys, meron na tayong Singaporean dollars. Para may pang-shopping na tayo para kay Omar. Na-arrange yung mga schedule dahil para doon yung schedule today.
Yeah.
Mandarin Hotel. Okay? Welcome to Singapore! Atid tayo sa elevator. Kinin ng customer service.
So have a good stay with us.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Come here guys. Welcome to Singapore. Welcome to Mandarin Hotel. Wow! Yun yung layon, pre, oh. Get ready. We'll leave in 30 minutes. Okay guys, let's go. Time check, 4 p.m. na. Dito naman sa meeting natin, we really are going to explore kung ano ba yung D-Lugs and kung suitable ba siya syempre sa mga market natin zone sa Philippines.
Saan tayo pumunta?
Raffles.
Yes, guys, sarap sa billing, nakaligo na ako.
Rats, nakaligo na. Mamaya magsha-shopping tayo. Pag hindi natin masilyo yung deal, hindi ka makapag-shopping. Tulungan mo ako, lambingin mo sila. Dapat makakuha tayo mga exclusive deals from them.
na tayo guys. Kaya try mo paring Art Singapore Coffee.
Bago mag-reload, dito muna. Would get 2 piccolo lattes, 2 flat white, and then 1 mocha. Ano, dalawa kape ko guys. Ito kalakas magkape. So, ano nga ba ang piccolo latte? Is 2 parts milk, 1 part espresso.
Nice na yan,
Kung
boy.
gusto mo naman ng 1 part espresso, 1 part milk, that is cortado. This is the latte nila. So, number 1 guys, ang latte, pag sinerve sa'yo, dapat inumin mo agad na hindi ka mapapasok. Pag napasok ka, ibig sabihin pangit yung pagkakagawa. Kasi ang latte dapat not exceeding 70 degrees Celsius.
Yes.
Sarap.
Maayos ah. Ito yung kape.
Thank you so much, Singapore Coffee. Next stop natin, pupunta na tayo kay D-Lugs. So, we already got our daily dose of coffee. Kaya, oh yan, kita mo pare, Patek Philippe, Rolex, the Hourglass. Hello.
I'm a strap specialist.
Filipino.
Ano pala yung imimit natin?
Hi, Hubert ko. Joseph.
Hi, nice to meet you. Hi. Well, I'm astonished actually. There's a lot of things here. They have all kinds of straps, from NATO straps, all sizes, all types. Do you have straps that are intended specifically for some models of Rolex?
Yeah.
Over there.
80% of our market are Rolexes, and then we have Pateks, and then also we have AP.
So for Pateks, we definitely can work with the universal strap. They are available in rubbers. We have them in...
And these are for Vacherons or APs?
These are the Pyrex.
Oh, PRX. Alright, Tiso. Sinasabi ko na ano, technology nila. And then it slaps.
This one is really nice. It's actually a spring deployment mechanism. Your watch is well protected because it doesn't have any magnet. On this side, we have them in, I guess, 2 main categories of materials. So first category would be leather strap. The second category would be rubber strap.
Because right now we already have 3 boutiques that we sell luxury watches, right? So we don't have any straps as of now that we sell. Right now, by the end of this month, we're opening our biggest one in BGC. Everything there is going to be Patek, Rolexes, all that. We also want to integrate something like this. Basically, I'm not into this business, although it's a cherry on the top for me. But however, I just want to give a convenient way our clients to enjoy their products with.
Like in terms of support, what we can do is to give you like strap display tricks. Because right now, how do you envision?
I envision actually something like this. I really like it.
Something like that.
I could squeeze in actually.
So one tray can display about 20 straps. If you carry just the 2 best sellers, you don't really go far from browns, blues, and like brown.
You guys, of course, know more than me when it comes to the strap business. I'm more leaning into your experiences, so whatever you think that would, would benefit us as moving forward, that I'll go with.
Yeah. Okay. So we also have like that corner. It's called the custom strap corner.
This is what I want. I want to specifically know all the orders, but right now, with the stores that are already in operation, I could use the strap tray and I could put it on the shelves.
Yes.
So yun guys, they agreed to give us all the support that we want. They'll also be doing the shipping, the tax declaration, and all that. So wala tayong poproblemahin doon. That's number 1. Very nice support. Next is anything we want, we can get, and then if it doesn't sell sa Pilipinas, then we can give it back to them, and then they could replace it for some of the best sellers so that all our clients have their options that they need. With one strap lang, isang strap lang babaguhin mo dun sa relo, mag-iiba na yung itsura at yung vibe ng relo eh. Matutuwa yung mga kliyente natin dito, grabe. They can actually change the look of their watches easily. Yeah, and it's honestly high quality. Is that going to be prepared today?
Okay, I'll message you. I need to think how I'm gonna
Figure things out.
Yeah.
And then let me know.
Shout out sa mga punong bayan sa Philippines, sa Manila. Hello!
Time check, 7 p.m. na. Ganun tayo katagal dito, bro. Thank you, guys. So yun, guys. It was a successful meeting. They accommodated us. They were very excited. We share the same enthusiasm going into this partnership. They'll just have everything ready. Maybe we can come back tomorrow to check everything and then they'll ship it out na. So for now, shopping na?
Oh, pero...
Dili tayong damit mo? Tara! Nakakalula mag-shopping dito po. Parang kulang 2 milyon mo dito. Malaki ito para sa kanya, no?
okay to.
Sakto yan?
Mahal dyan, boy.
Yeah. Really nice. I mean, I like these both, but what's the best price in this one?
Best price